If you've ever wasted hours wrestling with Lucidchart or Draw.io just to document your transformer architecture, you know manual diagramming is a soul-crushing bottleneck. This skill auto-generates mermaid syntax from your model specs, whether it's attention mechanisms in PyTorch or data pipelines in TensorFlow Extended. It integrates seamlessly with Sphinx docs, regenerates diagrams when your GAN's latent space evolves, and applies customizable themes matching your company's design system. Say goodbye to UML purgatory. AI engineers, ML practitioners, and data scientists deserve tools that speak their language. Here's what's inside the Building AI Diagram Generator skill. It parses technical specs into mermaid syntax for neural network topologies, converts ML pipeline components into flowcharts, and syncs diagram versions with Git commit hooks. The skill includes customizable templates for attention blocks or distributed training setups, plus code examples for integrating with Jupyter notebooks or CI/CD pipelines. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Because your diagram should be as dynamic as your models. Installing the Building AI Diagram Generator skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-ai-diagram-generator. That's it. You'll get the complete skill with expert level guidance for documenting LLM fine-tuning workflows and code templates for vision transformers. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now understands mermaid syntax, version control for diagrams, and styling conventions. No diagrams will leak out before you're ready. We promise.